All right. I'm going to do a quick video on what I'm up to here. I've kind of laid out all my materials here. So I bought this good old Lincoln stick welder a while ago. And you can definitely pick these up pretty cheap online still. They're built pretty darn well. So a couple things. I want to actually use this machine not only to weld, but to revive dead batteries. Hopefully, we'll see. So this is an AC stick machine, so you have to be able to make it put out DC current. So I bought myself one of these rectifiers on eBay. I mean, not eBay, on Amazon. And these are labeled as, you'll see a little sine wave, like embossed on it. And then it'll show you that the output is negative and positive. So basically, what you do is, so for example, on this one, this is the negative end, negative output, AC input, negative output. So I took the, what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut this somewhere here, and then you're gonna put one of these, you know, leads on it. And that's why I bought this cartoonishly large crimp tool, which probably won't be necessary. These I bought this kit on Amazon. I thought this was kind of nice. I think this was like 14 bucks for this set, so I thought that'd be kind of handy. But if you want something heavier than this, these are made out of pipe. Okay, these are made out of copper pipe. You probably can't see it from the camera, but these are actually just smashed down pieces of pipe with a hole put in it. So you can go to like a plumbing supply store, get yourself whatever diameter pipe you want, smash down one end and put a hole through it, and you'll get a heavier wall pipe if you want. So anyway, I took the ground clamp off of this, and so just for comparison purposes, so this way you can see that these leads are going to be, these are labeled as a SC35-10, whatever that means. But as you can see, it kind of matches up, and then you're just going to connect it to this rectifier. Now this rectifier, ideally you want a heat sink on the back of this, and anything will work, like a piece of aluminum or an actual like commercially available heat sink. I'm thinking for my purposes, just having it mounted right here, that the metal of the box should be heat sink enough, but we'll see. If I can find myself a cheap heat sink, I'll go down that road. Anyway, so yeah, I'm not gonna go through step by step doing this. I'm sure you can figure out. You're basically gonna cut this lead, crimp it, and then attach it. Just know that these are available. This was about 40 bucks for this rectifier. Now, this is rated at 400 amp and 1600 volt. Now, I am very skeptical about 1600 volts at 400 amps continuously through, well, frankly, anything, because that's like, when you calculate the joules of energy that is, that's like pretty much a hand grenade going off. So I doubt that it's actually going to handle quite that much power, but you're not going to have that much power coming out of the wall probably where you live, unless you're photonic induction, obviously. So yeah, that's the route I'm going to go down. So this is going to now be a DC stick welder, and I'm going to be using this to as the ultimate battery boiler, basically. So that's all you need. Yeah, just this rectifier, some of these copper lugs, and some basic hand tools, and you're good to go.